I'm Maria.
I'm Brian. This is Maria and Brian Travel. So today we are offering you a video that will teach you how to create a Google account.
hmm
That would be Gmail. Will also allow you to have access to YouTube so you can subscribe and like your favorite YouTube channels and videos. It's a short video. We've heard from a lot of people that they don't know how to do it or they're afraid to do it because they're afraid that it
Yeah.
might get hacked or it might
Yeah.
be spam or something. It's not. Gmail is 100% secure. It's 100% free. Got this short video for you showing you how to set it all up. So let's take a look. All right, so you found yourself on our page and you want to watch videos and subscribe, like, etc., etc. As you can see, we're posting videos every Wednesday and Saturday, occasionally more often. Lately, I would say maybe 3 to 5 videos a week, something like that. So you come over here and you want to look at this to buy video, and you are going to see some options. You want to like it, or maybe you came here and were watching this video and you're like, I love this, I want to subscribe to their channel, and it says sign in, and you don't know how. You don't know what to do. You don't know that you have an account. You want to like it, same thing. You can't like it unless you sign in. So let's do that. Let's sign in. You have a Gmail account, an email at Gmail already. That's all you need. Type in your Gmail account and you can add your password and log in and you're good to go. If you don't, create an account for myself, type in your name. If you have like a Yahoo address or a business address that you want to use, any email address can be used. Type in a new password and you will create a YouTube account. If instead you want to create a Gmail address, which I would recommend because then you can save locations in Google Maps, you can subscribe, like videos on YouTube. You also have a lot of other programs that they offer that this gives you access to. It's very nice. So we're going to try creating a Gmail account, and we are going to pretend our name is Susan Persimmon because I looked this up earlier and it was not taken. One tip, if you can find one that's not already taken, I tried a whole bunch of them like black persimmon, red persimmon, things like that. Those are really easy to remember. If you pick a color and an object or something like that, it's an easy way to create an email account that you can remember that's unique. Unfortunately, a lot of people seem to know this and a lot of them are already taken. But anyway, you can just use your name with some numbers. Or if you get lucky and it's not taken, like this one, Susan Persimmon, I'm the first one, I'm good to go. So I'm going to enter a password. I recommend long passwords that are hard to break into and be hacked. That's up to you. We're going to hit next. We're going to type in our phone number because they want to verify that it's really a person. And then it's going to send a code to your phone. We are going to wait for that a second. And it's here, and it is 814508. All right, we're going to hit verify. Now then here, you have an option to enter a recovery address. The phone number and the recovery email are helpful if you forget your password to be able to get back into your Google account, your Gmail, your YouTube, etc. So you can put in your current Yahoo address or whatever other email addresses you might have. You just pick one, put in a birthday. We're just going to make something up here, 1975. And then we're going to say we're female, and we're going to hit next. Now then, it's just asking if you don't mind receiving video calls, etc. There's more options. You can explore this if you want to, or skip it, or you can say, yes, I'm in, I'm okay with it. Terms of service, you can read this or not. It doesn't really make any difference because if you don't agree to it, they're not going to create the account. And now you're back to the video. Now you have a Gmail and a YouTube account, and you're all set. You can see you're logged in because it has the S up here for Susan. Now you can come down here and you can hit like, which is very helpful for us. It helps the YouTube algorithm, which tells YouTube that you liked this video enough to click on the like button, which means that it will then recommend this video to more people. It also tells us that you liked it and you enjoyed it. And then you can subscribe to our channel. You can do that here. That's also helpful to us. You can subscribe. More subscribers helps us. It also helps you because now you can get notified of all new videos by clicking on this little notification bell, selecting all. Then every time we upload a new video every week, you will get notified immediately. So you can say, I want to go watch that, or, oh, that one I'm not interested in. That's your choice. Then you can also share these to Facebook, Twitter, etc. That's also helpful for us if you want to share so your friends can watch them.
Now I can subscribe and like the video that I love. Oh, that was easy. Thank you
Nice.
so much.
Yeah, I'm glad it was easy for you.
Yeah.
Hopefully all of you will find this easy as well and useful. Not only can you subscribe to us, which we appreciate very much, but you can also subscribe to all of your other favorite channels, like their videos. Remember, all of your favorite creators appreciate it when you hit like on their videos because it helps with the YouTube algorithm, and that way it refers those videos to other people who might like them as well. So anyway,
And watch, we do have our contents coming up, and you're gonna love it. Okay? Please
yep,
subscribe, like, and click the notification bell,
yes,
and you're gonna help us.
yep.
Love you guys.
Take care.
Cha-ching!
See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Okay, mainit.
You turn the fan back on then.